at Texas Roadhouse, we came here to help out, kind of convert this locker room. It had been kind of run down, so we did a bathroom remodel. I believe this room will be a coach. They're going to have an area now so that when referees are in town and they have a place to come in and hang out. But I believe there's a softball locker room, there's a soccer locker room, and a baseball locker room, just so the athletes have a locker, they have a place to go to put their stuff in when they have a home game.
I mean, it's amazing. I mean, especially from what it looked like last year, it's just obviously like heartwarming because like y'all care about it this much, and like the way it looks is like, man.
I'm amazed. I mean, like, it's a blessing. I couldn't ask for more.
So this is Iroquois High School, our brand new locker room. This space before was just ultimately a storage unit. We can probably accommodate about 6 sports teams down here for different seasons, boys and girls.
Now there's some specific areas for each team to be able to go, and even the coaches to have a projector and to be able to come in and talk about a game plan strategy. It meant a lot.
The coolest thing is with our skilled trades classes, our electrical class, our masonry class, plumbing, and our construction class, they were able to help with this project. So our electrical class did some of the wiring, our masonry class helped with some of the walls.
To be able to share and to help out here was really, really special. So we wish them the best of luck, and we're just glad to be a part of it.
I mean, it feels good, especially that if we come back after a win, you know, we're going to be in here getting loud, getting hype, and before a game too, getting hype and all that. And speakers too, we're going to be blasting music.